Crypto is overall on the down and hasn't had a great month, but that does not stop some developers out there trying to create the best projects possible and make a great launch happen. In this video, we're talking about WienerAI, which has just announced that their pre-sale will be ending on July 31st. If you've looked at this coin, got into this coin, we've now got a bit of clarity and a bit of closure about what's going to happen next. So WienerAI pre-sale ends soon, and once that does end on the website, you'll be able to manually claim your tokens into your original wallet that you purchased from. So this is great to see. They've raised $7.3 million. Buy now before pre-sale ends in 19 days. And I did just receive a message on the marketing side of things, like from the devs. What they're doing marketing-wise, they said the plan is to secure some strong centralized exchanges as well as keep interest in the project rolling. So they're getting rumor listings on 2 potential top 12 exchanges. So this is really, really bullish, ladies and gents. This means good liquidity, fresh volume, very nice global exposure. And we could be talking about any of these top 12 exchanges here, like OKX, Bybit, Upbit, maybe even Gate, maybe even MEXC, BitGet, maybe BingX. So there's a good chance we're going to see a listing for WienerAI on some of these. I'm not saying 100%, it's still a fantasy until it happens, but I'd be very, very keen to see this happen. Now, WienerAI, I do hold $6,000 worth of. I'm bullish on it. I think the utility, the product is good. Part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot. I mean, you've got that meme coin meets artificial intelligence flair about it. Looking at this, the ecosystem breakdown, we've also got MEV protection, zero fees, seamless sausage swaps, and AI enhanced trading. So that's a great ecosystem breakdown. Moving on to the tokenomics, we don't have trillions of coins, but we've got 69 billion tokens, which is even better. And you can see here, allocation-wise, 30% to pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% to community rewards, 10% CEX liquidity, and 20% on the marketing. And ladies and gents, if you haven't subscribed to the 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel, please do hit that subscribe and notification bell. So let's move on. What's going to happen next? We're just going to have to wait now 19 days to see what's going to happen. Maybe they're going to have some big product updates, maybe some big product releases, or big news announcements. But overall, the anticipation is strong. The Twitter is looking good. People are excited for the overall launch. And yeah, I'm keen to see what's going to happen with this one here. We know that meme coins have, of course, had a big correction over the last few weeks. Solana coins, AI coins, and just general blue chip meme coins. But I think, these guys are pushing hard, and you can see getting a lot of impressions, retweets, and likes, which could reflect a very big community waiting for a big launch for this particular token, because it's been live for a few months now. And I think it's good to have that kind of overall clarity and know what the timeline is for this particular project. So this should help people feel more bullish, and now they can gear up ready for what should hopefully be a massive launch. So low market cap, as we know, has a $7.5 million-ish MC at launch, which does mean potentially a 10x will take you to $75 million. They've got their audit as well. It's always important to see these audits because it does reflect, security is in the forefront of the developer's mind. We know that, they can't do any sort of black hat tricks behind the scenes. And yeah, ladies and gents, bullish, 153% on the staking rewards at the moment. I would personally advise, even though I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice, but what I would do is not stake this late on. You've only got a couple weeks to compound rewards with only 153% per annum APY. Of course, that's a lot compared to the banks and things, but 8.7, my 8.7 million, I've not staked at all. And that's because I just want to be able to sell. If I want to sell on day one, if I see on day 2 or day 3 it goes up 2-3x, I'm going to start clawing back in tranches some of my original capital to put me into a state of running profit. So I take my capital back, then the rest of the tokens are effectively free running in profits. So that's a strategy I like to deploy over here. We can also see fear and greed index. We're sitting in extreme fear. And for me, I'm always greedy when others are fearful. You've got to have that contrarian mindset in this particular market. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. See you soon, and subscribe to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel. Bye for now.